Today I'm so excited to unbox this gooseneck lamp. So this comes with a remote control. Add the adapter plug in there, and it's quite easy to install. So now you have all the accessories and everything. So this is the LED light, and so to start assembling it, we're just gonna take this end. So before you attach the neck area to the stem, what you're going to do is that we have this plate. This is like a shelf holding where you can put books, you can put a cup or something. So we're going to take this, we're going to attach it right over here in the middle. Next, you install the base like that and just screw that in. So the next thing you want to install is you want to install the LED light, and you're just going to screw that in like that. So this lamp has so many features. The neck of it is flexible. So this is a very flexible neck. And also one thing I like about it is that you do have a charging port, like 2 areas where you can charge. So you can charge LED. And I also like that the lights are adjustable. So you do have adjustable brightness for the light, and also you can use the remote control to control how the light dims and how the light starts and stuff. So it is very easy to install. It is very, very flexible, very, very durable, and I absolutely like it.